What's up guys, I'm Cameron, this is Relentless Shine. Today we're back on another brand new 4Runner TRD Pro. We're going to start off with full front clear bra. So all the painted areas on the front, the skid plate here will get covered also. Some of the trim work gets coverage, headlights get coverage, pretty comprehensive rock chip protection. We also do front windshield rock chip protection now, and in our experience in the last few months, it actually works really well. I've got a few chips on my own car where it's resisted rock chips, but we're definitely sizable rocks. So we've been impressed, we like it. If you're interested, drop a comment, give us a call, email. Don't forget, if you like these videos, subscribe, follow the channel, please support us. Thank you. All right, I hope that was satisfying, getting to see a few pieces real time get installed. We've got a few more to go before this thing's finished up. Unfortunately, our videographer, Josh, is out of time, so he's gotta go. He's making me do the outro already. So we'll see you next time. Josh also forgot to remind me to ask y'all, if y'all like these videos, to please subscribe, hit the alert button, so when we drop new videos, you get the notification and can watch immediately. If you like what we're doing, please give us a follow on social media too. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We try to hit all the platforms, all the relevant platforms. If you're local, feel free to drop by at the shop. We're over here off of Tradesman at 1604 and I-10 area. You're welcome to visit and take a tour and kind of see everything in person. Thank you.